Hello. And welcome to DryCrete Concrete Waterproofing. DCW Crystalline Technology. We repair leaking concrete water tanks. Stop losing your most precious asset. Water. It's one of the most precious commodities to all Australians. Water conservation is a concern confronting everyone, especially those living on the land. Even the smallest leak in a water tank can cause huge losses. It is therefore important, when it rains, that not a single drop is lost due to a leaking water tank. Concrete water tanks can be repaired and sealed easily from the outside concrete surface, using the DryCrete Concrete DCW waterproofing methodology and range of specialty products. They have been specifically designed for stopping running water, and are commonly used where access to the internal walls is impossible, or inhibited. This is commonly known as negative tanking. DryCrete Concrete DCW crystalline waterproofing systems are proven Australia-wide on leaking concrete structures. DryCrete Concrete DCW waterproofing products are drinking water safe and have been approved for use with portable water. We fix and repair your leaking concrete water tank. In general, the average tank repair is around $450, and no need to empty your tank water. 16 years, waterproofing contractors, based in Point Cook, Victoria, and service most country areas, from around 150 to 200 kilometers from the Melbourne CBD. We cover industrial, commercial and rural water tanks. For a free estimate, send photos of your leaking concrete water tank to the email address shown on the website, or phone 0421 71 71 75 today.